Hello and welcome to your Thursday afternoon Central Time Yogi Smoke Break. I am excited for this affirmation today. It is called, I experience my elementary personality. So I've been blessed with some phenomenal yoga instructors, and one of them, Abby Queel, is my Kundalini yoga instructor. And the other night in our class, our theme was experiencing your elementary personality. And I was like, ooh, how fun is that? And so it's very fun, childlike. We were doing some things like one of the exercises, we had our eyes closed and we were just dancing around at whatever we were feeling to the drum music. Super fun. So some of these exercises are new to me, but fun because they are carefree and just kind of different. So to start off today, this one is not a Kundalini one, but one I actually did last night in Julie's yoga class. But just starting off with some cleansing breaths in which we inhale the arms up, exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down. Okay, so on to some of these fun Kundalini stretches. So this one is for strengthening the nervous system, like a lot of Kundalini. But we have three different rapid movements in which we are kind of punching. And the first one, we're like punching down in the lap like you can punch into the navel, then punching into the chest, and then punching straight up above. And so this is actually stretching the armpits. And this is done vigorously, and it's a set of three. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we should really be feeling it in the armpits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And in my Kundalini class the other night, we did this for 3 minutes. Do that until your heart's content. For our next one, this is a revolving one, kind of like Sufi grinds, which I've always loved in Kundalini yoga. But instead of the hands on the knees, we are going to do the palms together, arms above our head, and we are rotating the body where we are inhaling as we go forward and exhaling as we go backwards. And along with this, basically we're adjusting the pelvic bone, but it is a powerful one in which we are rotating the whole upper body. So inhaling forward, exhaling back. Inhaling forward, exhaling back. Inhaling forward, exhaling back. And pausing in the middle so that we can change directions. And we are still going to exhale as we go back. Inhaling forward. Exhaling back. Inhaling forward. Exhaling back. Inhaling forward. Exhaling back. All right. And again, continue to do that one as long as it serves you. So to end with a kind of gentle meditation, we didn't do this one as a meditation, but anything that helps us to be present and to completely void our minds of the past or future can be considered a meditative practice. So for this one, I'm putting my left hand over my heart, and then the right hand goes up against the body like this, kind kind of as if you're like taking an oath or something. And this is, as we're doing this, we are thinking about encompassing our elementary personality. So we are getting rid of anything like insecurities or fear or judgment or jealousy. And with a lot of meditations, I just like to, as I breathe in, I'm thinking of all that I wish to encompass. And as I exhale, I am getting rid of anything that does not serve me. And so for this, you can just close your eyes and long, deep breathe in. Anything you wish to encompass, feeling your heartbeat, and exhaling to get rid of anything that does not serve you. Noticing your heartbeat and paying attention to the breath. Inhaling anything you desire. Releasing what you don't want. Inhaling all those elementary dreams. Exhaling anything you want to release. And congratulate yourself on taking the time to be present and calm, because as you take the time to do so, you are able to radiate that peace and calm to others around you. Thanks so much, and I will see you on Tuesday.